Hello world, my name is Max. I live in Bournemouth, England. My project today is called DeepBreathe. This is my CS50 final project. Let's say I wanted to register. I'll just register for a new account and log in with the same credentials. Once logged in, I'll be directed to a simple homepage. Let's say I wanted to choose a time. Once I select 1 minute and press start, a countdown will begin from 1 minute. Here you can breathe in and breathe out to a custom CSS animation. As you can see also, the text below tells you whether to breathe out or breathe in again. This happens every 5 seconds until the time remaining has run out. Let's choose a background. If I selected red, the background will be set to that colour, red. This goes for any other colour. And finally, let's choose some noise. If I were to select rain, I will be able to listen to that noise. In this case, it's rain. And once I've had enough, I'll just select stop noises. And this will stop all noises. And as you can see in my choose your breath, the instruction has been set back to, are you ready to start breathing? It will start again once you select a time. Let's go to about. Here is a simple description of my web app. And once I've had enough of all of this, I'll just press log out. I can log in again with Max and Foo123.